Hey guys, welcome back to our blog. I'm Luke Ediger, sales manager here at Charleston Homes. Wanted to tell you about a unique opportunity here. We're currently sitting in the Durham model here in the Pebblebrooke neighborhood in Gretna. We're getting actually we've had this home listed now on the market, and it's for sale. So we're in the process of building a new model a couple doors down. So this one is just looking for the right buyer. It's going to be available in June. I think June 15 is the earliest closing. Great home. It's a walkout, finished basement, a lot of nice features in this home. If you have interest in this particular home, come on out to Pebblebrooke here in Gretna and take a look. You can always find us on our website at charlestonhomesomaha.com.